Did you know that you can now quickly and easily add floor storage to your material handling spaces? Navigate to the Essential Pallet Racking Extension, which is available for free on the marketplace, and then use the floor storage main component. Left-click to start the tool. Left-click to anchor, and then move away from that initial point to select the number of rows and columns. After the floor storage is placed in the drawing, you have several different options available within the quick properties. You can select a front side, and this will give you the number of unit loads in that row or column. You can change the cell sizes. And you can also change the clearance, and that is going to be the distance between the cells. You may also choose whether or not to add a border, and then you can choose the border size as well. You may use the stretch nodes to adjust the number of rows and columns, or you may enter those values here within columns or rows. You may also choose to show 4 markings. If you choose to show 4 markings, you may choose the size of those 4 markings and also their material. You will see those show up in the 2D and the 3D view. This works really well in conjunction with the unloaded view. You may also adjust the number of levels. Maybe we want these to be a bit higher, and you can adjust whatever unit loads you want to store here as well. Now the last option in the Quick Properties box is the Edit Grid, and this will allow you to either remove or insert unit loads here in this space. I can left-click to remove individual unit loads, or I can left-click and drag to remove sections of unit loads as well. If I want to add those back in, I can click the Insert button, and then insert individually, or insert by section.